Hey, it's Tom. It's July 6th. I want to talk about Intex pool cleaning. Here's the deal. For one, your pool not getting used will build up dirt on the bottom. Vacuuming it all day is not, vacuuming it every other day or every other week. You're going to get that off. So here's the other deal. So I got this pool broom, and it's good for scraping the sides. But the problem is like when birds come and think it's a frickin' bird bath. You want to use your $30, $25 Home Depot broom brush and scrape bird poop off the side. You're probably better off getting a hand scrub brush for about $2 or $3. But you're gonna want to get, like, check this right here, like on the edges. The bird poop sits there, that kind of stuff. So anyway, so I got a little brush I used. Didn't bring it out tonight, but my pool's pretty clean because I scrubbed it the other day. I'm actually in my pool walking around. Let me show what else I did. Is when you'll get dead spots in your pool, or where there's no water movement kind of deal. So basically what I did was I put in a little sprinkler system here, little PVC. So this kind of moves water over in the dead end part of the pool. Realistically, if you're using a Intex pool pump, they're pieces of shit. I upgraded to a 1-horse Hayward pump, and my pump moves my pump actually pumps and filters all my water in 6 hours, basically. Here's the other deal. This Intex skimmer. It's a great skimmer. You got your hose here, that kind of deal goes down. But the problem with the Intex skimmer is it doesn't weigh enough at the bottom. So what's going to happen is you'll be pumping, and all of a sudden the pump comes up and you're aerating your pump because the pump went up. So what I did was I used 2 Gatorade bottles full of the sand pump, tied them to the bottom of it. That thing keeps the weight down. That thing's not gonna pump up, basically, or pop up or whatever kind of deal. So anyway, that thing's flowing pretty good. Because my pump moves so much water, kind of siphoned it down to little fittings go on the end, the intake or the exhaust part, and put in a PVC, and that kind of keeps water flowing all around the pool. So, and then I scrub the inside of the pool with the hold on, with the brush thing. But if you're gonna scrub like the edges part, like this kind of deal, and there's bird poop on this side, you're gonna have to like flick it over kind of stuff. So my backyard is kind of like, I think all the birds think my pool is like a giant frickin' bird bath. But my pool's clean. So if you want to keep your Intex pool clean, get your own little hand scrub brush, keep your filters going, your sand pump going. And everybody says, hey, are you putting chlorine in your pool? Yeah, you can put chlorine in an above ground pool, but you don't want like saturate it. You need, I use probably 2 or 3 chlorine 3-inch tablets a week at least, minimum. I don't put anything else other than that. But I can walk up to this pool and know that if I reach up for a handful of water and smell it, and it doesn't smell like chlorine, I'm probably a little light. I do every once in a while put in pop a gallon in, and when you're adding chlorine, put it in at night. That way it's circulating, and when you go out, you're not getting the red eyes. So anyway, hey Tom, working on the old Intex pool. Out.